Hi there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 420d Grand Coupe in mineral grey here at Your Next Car. So we'll have a walk around the car and I'll talk to you some of the features and options we have on this particular vehicle. Starting with the outside, where you of course see we've fitted the Your Next Car performance kit, which is fitted all in-house. On this particular vehicle we've gone for the gloss back front splitter, gloss back kidney grills. You will also note that this is a 2017 67 reg facelift Grand Coupe. So of course it has the facelifted headlights and a few other facelifted features. We've also fitted the 19-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels. These are a new style in for us here at Your Next Car. They are finished in satin grey, as you can see there, and they look fantastic with the mineral grey of the body colour. Truly unique look there. So we've also got the satin side vinyl, satin side bars and performance decals. This vehicle has the privacy glass. Inside the vehicle we have a black Dakota leather, which in the front is heated. It also has the electric lumbar adjustment. We have grand piano black trim door card inserts, alongside with brushed aluminium centre console, dashboard and door card pulls. Moving into the rear, of course it's all ISOFIX base ready. ISOFIX points on the rear seats, all clean and tidy, much like the rest of the car, which you would expect for a car of this age and mileage. Moving round to the back of the car, where you'll find the satin rear boot spoiler, satin rear diffuser, alongside with the facelifted rear LED tail lights. Of course the Grand Coupes all have automatic tailgates opening and closing, and a humongous boot space as well. You'll also find the velour floor mats. The seats do also fold if you do require that bit of extra room. And I'll give you a nice close-up look of the 666 alloy wheels in satin grey. Okay, so getting ready into the driver's side. Of course it has 4 electric windows. We also have multifunction M Sport steering wheel. This 420d has a 8-speed sport gearbox with pedal shift. We have automatic lights and automatic wipers. Okay, so I'll climb on in and talk you through some of the other options and features we have. So as I mentioned, we have heated leather seats in the front. We have BMW's superb professional wide navigation and media. And of course, being a facelift car, it has the facelifted iDrive. So there's the nav screen. There's the centre screen. The facelifted iDrive has a few more features built within it. So if you're going to connect to drive, you can see the online search features. The previous ones didn't have that. It has a few other features built in it as well. We've got Bluetooth communications and media, DAB, and a wide array of other multimedia inputs as well. We have got cruise control with speed limiter, voice controls, voice activation, volume controls. The vehicle itself has covered just over 11,000 miles. As you can see there, it is very low mileage example. The vehicle itself has just been booked in at Sytner BMW for a service, so it will be all freshly serviced, ready for you. All inside is nice and clean, as you would expect for a vehicle of this age and this mileage. And it does have some very nice options on it, including one of them being the 8-speed, which is quite rare to come by on the 2-litre variant. We have the gloss black air breather, which ties in very nicely with the gloss of the performance kit. Brand new tyres, as well as the brand new alloy wheels. And also the LED projector headlamps with angel eyes as well. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish off the walk around video for the 420d Grand Coupe in mineral grey. We hope you enjoyed the video, and of course we hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Goodbye.